I'm sharing the recipe for a classic honey cake that's incredibly soft, melts in your mouth like cotton, looks beautiful, and tastes amazing. The cup measurement I use in the recipe is 200 milliliters. Add 200 grams of butter to a non-stick pot and place it on the stove. Once the butter melts, add 2 cups of sugar and 4 tablespoons of honey. Stir over low heat until the butter is completely melted. Baking soda and stir until the mixture becomes foamy, increases in volume, and turns a caramel color. Remove it from the heat and transfer it to another bowl to cool down faster. Once the mixture has cooled slightly, add 4 eggs one at a time, mixing after each addition. Then add it. Then, if you feel it needs more, add it. I used a total of 5.5 cups of flour using a 200 milliliter cup. Since cups can vary, this amount might be a little less or a little more full. That's why you should definitely add the flour gradually. When the dough thickens, sprinkle the remaining flour with the egg yolks and knead the dough halfway. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces and shape them into balls. Cover the balls with plastic wrap. After letting them rest in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, roll them out as thin as you can on parchment paper. For spreading it out, I wanted to make a 12-layer tall cake, but you can make a 6 or 8-layer cake with a wider diameter if you prefer. To prevent it from puffing up unevenly while baking, we poke holes in it with a fork. We bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for a maximum of 5 minutes. Don't bake it any longer so it doesn't dry out. While it's still hot, place a plate to spread out and trim it neatly. Set aside the edges for decorating the top later. For the cream, we mix 30% sour cream, sold by weight, with 1 cup of powdered sugar. Note that the sour cream should be used cold. Also, do not overmix, otherwise the cream will become runny. At the end, we add 2 tablespoons of honey. You can also prepare the cake with whipped cream if you prefer. The preparation of the whipped cream is available on the channel in the video. For the color adjustment section, we need to set aside 2 tablespoons of cream for the top of the cake. Use the remaining cream to layer between the 2 thick layers and shape the cake. To allow the cream to soak in, the cake should be kept in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 5 hours. I kept it overnight until morning. The next day I spread the cream I had